Hi, this is Mrs. Bartling, and I am a second-year teacher here at the Iowa Falls Alden High School. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our power structures course in the Ag Mechanics line of coursework. Our power structures coursework is a basic introduction to some of the mechanical processes that go on in agricultural industry. We did a unit on the basics of hydraulic functions, and we've also done a basic skid loader operations day. We are working now on MIG welding skills, and if time allows, we'll do some small engine maintenance and work. The students in this class seem to enjoy the hands-on nature and are really excited to get going on building some projects in our welding lab, and we're excited to have them in that space. If you have any questions about what we're teaching or the course content, please feel free to reach out to me by email or phone.